Hey, this is Cameron. Welcome back to the Busy Gardener channel. Today we have got a fun-filled episode where we are going to be doing a huge announcement, doing an amazing giveaway, and celebrating 10,000 subscribers! Whoa! Okay, so we have a great giveaway, a huge announcement, but first I want to thank you. 10,000 subscribers, it's just hard to even imagine. I was looking the other day and something like 700,000 people have watched and benefited from these videos, and that is just blows my mind. It's hard to even fathom of that many people getting some idea or tip from this. But you know, there was a point where I almost quit YouTube altogether. It was an interesting thing. A couple of years ago, right after the channel had gotten monetized, I was excited. I was making videos that I thought were helping people, and YouTube was showing my videos to you guys, and then all of a sudden the views just totally cratered. And I freaked out. I was like, what's happening? How do I fix this thing? What do I need to change to make it work? And I remember just thinking about that and coming up into the orchard, and I remember looking around, and it occurred to me, I didn't plant this orchard to make a YouTube channel. I made a YouTube channel to share what I'm learning in this orchard because YouTube videos had benefited me so much and given me the confidence, and I was excited to do that thing as well. And so I kind of committed to myself that as long as I actually liked making these videos and felt that these videos continue to be a blessing to you, that I would continue to make them and also keep it at a healthy emotional distance, so that way this channel doesn't get too wrapped up in my identity, because it's not ultimately all of who I am. It's just something I really enjoy doing, and I love being able to share with you. So 10,000 subscribers, here we are. You know, something I would love to know is, what is a busy gardener moment that has really helped you? I love hearing when somebody has gotten the confidence to do something on the back of one of these videos or learned something they didn't previously know. What's something that has stood out to you that has helped you, has given you confidence in your orchard or garden? Put that in the comments below. I'd love to check it out. Here is our big announcement. This is my partner in crime, Michelle.
Hi.
And we are launching a second channel called The Unhurried Farm. The Unhurried Farm is something that's been near and dear to our hearts. What is that Unhurried Farm kind of about, Michelle?
Yeah, I mean, really the heart of it is cultivating an intentional way of living in a hurried world. Our world today goes at breakneck speed, and it's easy to get caught up in that. And so as a family of 7, we've just really been trying to adopt rhythms and activities and things that we enjoy, and ways to, you know, reach other people too in an unhurried pace, which feels very countercultural at times.
Yeah, and we're really excited about that. It's kind of funny because this is the Busy Gardener channel, and so talking about an unhurried farm, like how does that work? But the truth is that you can be busy without being hurried, and that's what we're gonna wanna tap into on that channel. This channel is gonna give you a lot of tools and ways to do stuff, whereas the Unhurried Farm is gonna give you a chance to just exhale and to hear some different ways to do things, how we do some stuff as a family. And so we're really looking forward to that and can't wait to get started on that. Now the moment you've been waiting for, and that is our big giveaway. We've created kind of a fruit tree starter pack that we're excited to give away. One of those things is a pair of Corona tools donated by Corona. Thank you guys. And also kindly donated by Ivy Organics are their 3-in-1 plant guard, which is that whitewash that keeps your tree from getting sunburned and sun scalded and keeps pests out of it, as well as their really excellent organic fertilizer. You guys have seen me use these products, and I use these in this orchard every single day, and I stand by everything that we're giving away in this. And we're giving away 4 of these packs. And so the way that you're going to enter this is by following the link to the Unhurried Farm intro video. I want you to subscribe to the channel, and then in the comments below that video, just put what you're interested in seeing us cover on that channel. That's it. Hit subscribe, put what you want to see, and that enters you into the drawing. We're going to be drawing this on April 20th. And so you've got a little bit of time to get over there, but now would be a good time so that way you don't miss it. Hey, so whether you've got 1 subscriber or 10,000, thank you for all that you guys have done, participating, subscribing, being a part of our journey. Stay busy.